Please subscribe this Vicky Tech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Hi everyone, this is Jason from Vicky Tech. Hi guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. In this video, let's talk about the Bluetooth headphones from the Sennheiser brand. Its model number is HD4.40BT. Its cost is around 7,500, and also I think it is better to do giveaway in our channel. So hence I have purchased the two headsets of this one from Amazon, and here is the one and here is the second one. So each one is price is around 7,500 rupees. So coming to the point, what you all need to do is you just need to subscribe our channel. As usual, tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications, and you need to comment below like by saying like at the rate of Vicky Tech I need these Sennheiser headphones, and don't forget to mention a phone number or even your email ID. I will definitely pick up the random comment. And also I'm going to do giveaway. I was going to select the winner at this month ending May 31st. In the live I was going to do that. Okay, well, coming to the back, this is the headphones. So today we are going to do unbox of these headphones, guys, and let's see whether it is worth or not for the investment what we do. But I want to let you know, we know that Sennheiser is one of the best brand in terms of audio department. They make the best earphones, wide earphones, as usual, wireless headphones, and also they may have a sound bars also, and also they do best in audiophile headphones. What is mean by audiophile headphones means these audiophile headphones was usually used in aeroplanes, flights, jets, and rockets. I mean, they do best noise cancellation. The input audio was very crystal clear and loud when compared to these devices, and also the cost is also usually high. Its cost is around 40,000, more than 60,000 rupees, like that. So usually we do not need that audiophile headphones as our purpose. It is enough. So let's do unbox of these headphones. Let's get it. So well, here is the wireless headphones of the Sennheiser HD 4.40BT. At the front side we have seen that they mentioned they mentioned a picture. They're saying that the foldable, and on the other hand side we have seen it's charging. We get charging up to 25 hours. Once we battery get up to full, we get the charging up to 25 hours. And also they have mentioned here 2 years warranty, and Sennheiser brand, and the picture of the headphones. And other hand side, at the top side we have seen that okay, there was the app available in the Play Store for Android as well as the Apple iOS store. So that's it. And also they mentioned here detachable. Okay, the muffs of the headphones, the muffs has been detachable. And the other hand side they mentioned here what are the contents inside the box. These are the stuff which was getting inside the box. If you look at the back side, and they mentioned here, let me zoom it. Yeah, in this area they mentioned here on and off switch. On the second one we can track the call and the music control, the second button, and the third button is for volume control, and that's it, nothing special. And at the bottom side we have seen that there was mentioned the types of foldable adjustments, it was there. And also in here we have seen that the frequency response, sound pressure, the stuff battery type, lithium polymer battery they mentioned here. On the other hand side we have seen that there was a Bluetooth technology was enabled, but keep in mind it's 4.0, and also one tap pairing with NFS coverage. And also here is the true Wi-Fi sound, which is the audio was very high, excellent in this Wi-Fi hi-fi certified devices. And also the third one, up to 24 hours battery lifespan. Once we charge the battery, it will battery last around 25 hours. That's it. Okay guys, I was back. I just break the seal here so you guys can check out. I was very interested to test this device because it's certified with hi-fi, so I just want to check the audio quality. I was very anxiety. So nothing inside the box. And also when we open the box we have seen that there was a, yes, as I told you, there was a 3.5 mm jack along with the charging cable. Let me see it whether it is type C or type 1. Okay, what is this means? So here is the 3.5 mm jack, guys. The cable quality was very excellent. I was very happy with this cable. So I will let you know how to use this cable. And also there was a charging cable here. I was very anxiety whether it is type C or 2.0 USB. Let's check out. Seriously, I mean the cable quality was very excellent. I feel very premium when I was touch it my hands. The length of the cable is also very good, so let's check out. Shit guys. It's a type USB port guys, 2.0. It's not type C. I hope they should give type C for fast charging. Okay, anyhow, let me put it back. On the other hand side also, you know that it's the USB 2.0. That's okay. And also we have get a pouch here. So with we can use this pouch when you're going outside. You can put your headphones inside this pouch and you can carry it easily. And finally, what are the things means? Series is some kind of paper guide along with manual instructions and warranty quick setup paperwork was there. So well, here is the star of the show. So here is the Sennheiser wireless headphone HD 4.40 BT. Feel it. I feel very premium, and I mean the quality was very good. And also the brand also flexible band, and also we can foldable this like this, and we can put it like this inside the traveling pouch. They given you the traveling pouch now. We can put inside the traveling pouch like that, and you can lock it. This is how it looks once you put the headset inside the traveling pouch. And also I never feel it's too weight. It's okay. I feel it's very solid, and the quality was very nice. The build quality was very nice. The plastic build quality. The muff also feels very smooth, and it's like a sponge muffs. So inside the muff, I feel there was a sound, speakers drill was there inside this one. And also we can tilt this like this for our convenient. That's great. And also let's check. Here is the physical buttons. As we talked, this is the power button, this is the audio control and the voice calls control, and this is the speakers. This is the volume control button along with a 3.5mm jack, and here is the charging port. And also we have seen that here is the microphone. It comes with along with noise cancellation. So guys, let's check out what is the use of this 3.5mm jack. We have get a cable. So here is the cable now. So how to use it means we need to connect this to this audio jack port. On the other hand, you need to connect it with your regular mobile phone. So now it's like a wired headphones. If you remove this cable, then it's like a wireless headphones. Means in a multiple way you can use it. If you wish, you can use it with the wire, and if you don't want, you can use it like wireless. So well, after connecting the headphone jack, now you can play the songs, or even you can do any stuff what you want to hear. I'm just playing a video from our channel, so I hear the sound from this inside this speakers, so you can hear it. So the sound was very loud, and with the help of this 3.5mm jack, you can use it like a wired headphones also. While now talking about the Bluetooth connectivity, let's check out. So well, if you want to connect this device to your smartphone with the help of Bluetooth, just turn on the Bluetooth connection by tapping here this power button. Hold the power button at least 4 seconds. When you turn on this, you have seen that the light was blinking here. You have seen the LED light was blinking blue and red color, so which means it was ready to pair with the device. So on your smartphone, you just need to open with Bluetooth. You can either connect it with the Bluetooth, or even you can connect it with the NFC. For example, if you want to connect with the Bluetooth, just tap on the Bluetooth and just tap on the pair new device. Then automatically you have seen the Bluetooth name by showing it like this, HD 4.40 Bluetooth connectivity. Suppose if you want to connect with the NFC, just come back and you need to go for NFC application. So here's Android Beam application. So in your headphones, what you need to do is on the left hand side ear cup, you have seen there was an N symbol. So after opening this Android Beam app, just tap the phone like this, and keep it few minutes, then automatically you've seen a pop-up message like it's asking us, are you sure you want to connect with Bluetooth with this device? Yes, I was going to tap on the S. That's it guys. With the Bluetooth also, it's asking to access the permissions. I was giving the permissions. That's it. We can easily connect our smartphone with this NFC, with the help of this NFC, as well as we can use it by connecting with the Bluetooth connectivity also. So now I was going to listen the audio, how the audio was. To do this, I was going to play some tracks. Where is the music library? So I was going to play some tracks to hear the audio. Now I can hear the audio was coming from these ear cups, so I was testing it. Now I was controlling my audio volume by tapping the volume button on the, wow, the audio was crystal clear. The sound was, the first impression was very good. I feel the sound was very loud, and it's very good build quality and decent. The vocals was clear, and the vocals was very good. The first impression was very good by using these headphones, and also we can control the headphones with the help of this multifunction button, so we can change the track, or even we can pass the audio also. Right now you have seen that, right now you can see that the audio was going on. Now if I tap on this button saying one time, it will pass it. If I tap it again, the audio keep tracking. So there was a lot of functions, but anyhow I will use it for a few days and I will just let you know my review about this. That's it in this video guys. The first impression was okay, it feels very good, premium. It's not heavyweight, but the build quality was nice, and also the pairing was also very quick, and the audio from this device was very loud and clear, and I'm just going to use it for a few days and I will just let you know my opinion whether it is worth or not to purchase the device. It's from Sennheiser, and anyhow if you have any specific questions about this model, just let me know in the comment section. I was happy to assist you. Thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe to this channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway. If you want this product, just subscribe the channel, tap on the bell icon, and also just comment below by saying like at the rate of Vicky tag, I want this Sennheiser headphones, and also mention your phone number or even your email ID. At the end of this month 31st, I was going to do random, I was going to pick up a comment randomly, so let's see who is the winner. Try it yourself. All the best, take care.